Pani Puri. Hi everyone, welcome to a quick Grand Baie update. Whoa, I nearly got hit by the water there. It is a perfect day. But I thought I'd show you some of the little out-of-the-way places that are now flourishing because the tourists are back. Someone asked about Pani Puri. Definitely going to have one of those. If you remember last time I was here, all I could get was a banana. Now look at all the fruit. Tons of them. And even coconuts. Even more fruits here. But look at the size of these coconuts. Wow, that is one huge coconut, and there are tons of them. They'll cut them open and you can drink it on the beach. Okay, so if you want to get the whole coconut, that really massive one I just showed you, it's only 100 rupees. So come on down and enjoy it. Thank you. Also, right here on the beach, they have tons of things for sale. So you can get all your knickknacks right here. Oh, look at that fluffy dodo. How sweet is that? Before you go on your catamaran, don't forget a hat. The sun is hot here. And look at that Sega outfit. Oh, that one is cool. What a great sign. Welcome back, everyone. This is Duty Free Shop. But I wanted to show you some of the more side alley things. So let's continue. And some people choosing their excursions. Always great to see that the tour operators are back in business. I know a lot of you recognize this dodo. Well, good news for all those who've been asking. B52 is actually open. Open and ready to go, guys, so get down here. Oh wow, how cool is this? A guy comes on his bicycle and he's got sweet potatoes. So he's on his bicycle with his sweet potatoes and he's got a scale right here, delivered to your door. Oh wow, how cool is that electric bike? Awesome. This is the bit I'm most excited about. We're down a side alley here and look how the place is opening up. We've got a fantastic shop here selling clothing. Hi. But look at this coffee shop. It's a little coffee shop with things inside. I'll show you inside, but I had to come. The wooden tables were just awesome. Let's go inside and have a look. This is a boutique, and it's like Mauritian creation. There's upcycling in the back. Goat cheese, I'll show you some of that. Made with Mauritian goats, Mauritian milk, Mauritian cheese. Right there. Wow, there's just so much stuff, guys. I'm just at a loss for words. Cheers indeed, everyone. Coffee Crea. Crea like coffee creation. Oh wow, Coffee Crea turned into such an awesome place. It's going to get its own video. Boy, did we get sidetracked there. But anyway, everyone, we finally arrived to get Pani Puri. You guys have been asking about it, so we're going to see how it's made and we're going to eat it. You okay with that? Good. Let's go. This is what the Pani Puris look like. They're little golden balls of deliciousness. We got some choices. We got some yogurt. We got sev. What's the name of this one? Chard. This one's chard, potato of course, and then chickpea. So I'm gonna get a mix of 5, and it's 50 rupees for 5. So here he goes, getting out the Pani Puris. That's these things. So let's go over we can't see over the top. Here we are through the side. He breaks it and then he chucks some stuff into it. But there we are. And then there's a sauce put inside each one. And then in goes a little bit of yogurt. So one with yogurt. One with the sev. Oh, I love sev. And there we are with the chard. And the last one with a little bit of extra sauce. Oh wow, these things look so good. So good. And there we are. 50 rupees for that smorgasbord. Thank you so much. Indian vibes, it's called Indian vibes. So for the thumbnail, Pani Puri, because I'm on my own, you guys are on the long stick out there. So first of all, we're gonna try the traditional one, the very traditional one. And you gotta eat them quick. You gotta eat them quick so that they stay crunchy. So here's the traditional one. There's a hint of chili on that, but it is beautiful. Next up is the classic sev. You've got to try. Oh, mouth watering from the chili on that one. It's not hot chili, it's nice and spicy, but this is the sev one. Oh. Oh wow, that sev, it's a big mouthful. You got to have a big mouth to eat these things, but the crunch on that is unbelievably good. The next one I'm going to try is the chard one. I'm not sure what chard is. It looks like some sort of vegetable thing. Don't know if you guys can see that all right. It's probably just focusing on me. But anyway, let's see. I really like that charred one. It's sort of like a taco. If you think of a crunchy taco with chickpeas in it, that is exactly what it's like. It's a taco. It's a crunchy taco. Get it with the charred. That is a must. Yogurt up next. Should have eaten this one first because it's the liquidy one. What you do is you get the taco ones and you get the yogurt ones. They are absolutely unbelievably good. And I think if you mix the two together, have a bit of the charred, bit of the yogurt, you're onto a winner. That is a winner. Okay, and so the final one, it's my last one. But remember guys, eat them fast, not like me, because they get a bit soggy if you don't eat them fast. Oh wow guys, if you've never had Pani Puri before, you have to come and get a Pani Puri. It is such a treat and the crunch on it is unbelievable. But like I said, the charred one, I wasn't expecting much. That is my firm favorite, followed by the yogurt. And next time I come, I'm getting 5 of the charred and 5 of the yogurt. It is that good, everyone. Actually, I'm gonna get that now. Anyway, see you guys later. Well everyone, we came for the Pani Puri. We got a little sidetracked, but it was totally worth it. Well anyway everyone, thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.